In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reCAPTCHA to your contact form using the Wix website editor. This is a great way to enhance the security of your site and protect against spam, ensuring that you only get genuine inquiries. So, let's get started with the process and make your website a safer place. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Wix website editor. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix website. Once there, log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your website's dashboard. From there, navigate to the editor by selecting the site you want to work on. The editor is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize and configure your site with ease. Now, let's focus on your contact form. Locate it within the editor. Usually, you'll find it under the section where you've set up your contact information. Once you find the contact form, it's time to dive into its settings. Hover over the form and a small menu will appear. Click on Settings to explore the various customization options available for your contact form. Next, you're going to click on Manage. This option allows you to control the different aspects of your contact form, offering you the ability to tailor it to fit the needs of your site. After clicking on Manage, you'll want to proceed by selecting Manage Forms. This is where you get to handle all your form-related tasks, including incorporating security measures like reCAPTCHA. Now, with your Forms panel open, spot the three dots located usually at the top right or next to your form's name. Clicking on these three dots will give you a drop-down menu of options. From here, you should see Form Settings. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. Within the form settings, you have a few configuration options. Here, you're going to choose the Advanced option, which includes the ability to add reCAPTCHA. The reCAPTCHA feature is crucial as it helps distinguish real users from bots, enhancing the overall security of your form. Select this feature to add a protective layer to your contact form. Once you've chosen your preferred settings, ensure everything looks correct and to your liking. Finally, click on the Save button. By saving your changes, you've successfully added reCAPTCHA to your contact form. Congratulations, you've now bolstered your site's security, minimizing the risk of spammy submissions. And there you have it, your contact form is now fortified with reCAPTCHA, keeping spam at bay and safeguarding genuine interactions. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on enhancing your website's functionality and security.